not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Adrienne Patika, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. While you're here, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, and you like the video, show some love in the comment section as well, and I'll return the favor. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to clean off that yucky buildup that's under your wigs and on your lace frontals when you wear frontals, and when you adhere the frontals to your skin with lace glue. Sometimes this could be from got to be glued and hair products that you use to also lay your baby hairs as well. So here I'm just showing you the buildup that's on my frontal. In this video, you'll need some gloves. You'll also need something to wipe away the glue with, so I have a towel here, and then also you'll need a brush just because you want to brush back the hair, and then lastly you'll need some 99% alcohol. Okay, in this clip you're going to see that I went ahead and put on my gloves, and I'm going to grab the towel that I'm using and apply some rubbing alcohol to it, and I'm just going to gently wipe away at that buildup that's on the lace frontal. And you want to be gentle when you're doing it, just because you don't want to create any holes or any fraying within the frontal where it's already cut at. So you're just going to wipe away until you see that buildup coming off of the lace frontal, and then just keep on paying attention to what I'm doing, and you'll kind of get the gist of, you know, how I'm doing it. Okay guys, so in this clip I'm just showing you a comparison of what I've done so far compared to what still needs to be done. This side still has a lot of buildup on it, and then the other side pretty much has already been wiped away. Since you already made it this far in the video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. But you can see right here, I'm just showing you where I finished going over the full lace with the 99% alcohol and a towel, just lightly, gently scrubbing at the lace. Okay, so if you're in a rush, this step is completely optional. You can honestly stop at the last step and apply your wig, but I'm just going to go in with some conditioner and wash anything that I have left over on the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and wash the hair. In this clip, I'm going into the frontal with some conditioner, and I'm just going to lightly, gently scrub at the frontal just to work away any of that buildup that I wasn't able to tackle in the last step. So this step is completely optional, but I just boiled some water and I laid the frontal into the boiled water for about 10 minutes just to get any leftover buildup. And here's the finished product. In my opinion, it looks great. No buildup on the baby hairs, no buildup on the front of the lace frontal, and it's good to go, ready to be glued back down. I laid the lace frontal over a white surface so that you guys can see the finished product. Stay tuned for a part 2 to this video where I'll cut some of that extra lace off where some of the hair has balded. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more uploads. Thanks, babes.